Now, there are a number of different ways that we can apply formatting to the text in our document. And one way is we can left click into the paragraph and then we can click on the paragraph style in the style ribbon. Another way, as I showed you earlier, and again, which I wouldn't recommend, sorry to harp on, but I really wouldn't, is to select the text and start applying these, what they call character styles. But again, that's not the way to do it. But another way that we can do this is we can use what's called the Format Painter. If you look up on the Home tab here, in the clipboard subsection, we have Format Painter. Now, what Format Painter does is it takes the formatting of the selected text and it copies that formatting. If you've used graphic packages like Photoshop or anything like that, you can copy layer styles and things and apply them to other layers. This is a similar thing, but in Word. So as I can see in my document, I have a heading 2 here and I have a heading 2 down here. Now I can left click and do heading 2 and I can left click and do heading 2. I can do it that way, or I can select heading 2 by, I can left click and drag, or I can just single click in the margin at the level of where the text is to select that heading. And now I can click on Format Painter. If I single click on Format Painter, it will copy that formatting of that particular selected text and I can apply it just once. So if I move my mouse cursor over where I want to apply it, you can see that as I get close, the mouse cursor turns into an I-beam with a painter. Now if I select that text, it applies that style, but straight away the mouse cursor changes from the I-beam with the paintbrush back to a normal I-beam. So that's one way. If I come up here and I click on Undo, and then I select my heading 2 again, but if I double click on Format Painter, what now happens is as I move my cursor close, I get the same I-beam with a paintbrush. And if I left click to apply, and this time I left click just to the left of it rather than selecting the text, but after I've applied it, the I-beam and the paintbrush are still there. So that means I can apply it if I want it down here to heading 1. I will do this. It should be a heading 1 rather than a heading 2. And then I can keep doing that. So if you've got a long document, you don't have to format click, 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 click all the way. You can leave it to the end, grab your Format Painter, double click on your Format Painter and go click, click, click all the way through the document. And I'll do that on the heading 3 as well. And it's very, very fast. And even though I've finished all my formatting, I've still got my I-beam and my paintbrush cursor. And it will stay like that until I actually cancel it. And to cancel it, all you need to do is press the Escape key. And that's your Format Painter finished. Okay? That's how easy it is to do.